can actually see filmmaking as a very great potential for the Jamaican marketplace. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Well, I'm going to introduce another filmmaker up here on stage because we're going to see his movie now. Don't go, the night is not over. Mr. Wayne Jobson, could you step up here please for us? Yes. Wayne Jobson is a Jamaican filmmaker, and we're all Jamaicans up here now on this stage. Thank you.
It's a step in razor now.
Yes.
Yeah. I was backstage just while and overheard Macoan did talking about this one. He said it's real cool because, you know, Macoan view the things before the, you know, broadcast tonight.
Yes.
Yeah.
Wayne, what made you decide to make a film about Peter Tosh when everybody is always bigging up Bob Marley? Why Peter Tosh?
Well, I was lucky enough to meet Peter, Bob and Bonnie, the Wailers, back in the 70s. And of the three of them, it was Peter who most impressed me with his brilliant, brilliant intellect and his brilliant mind, and also his sense of humor. And then in the early 90s, when I realized that the whole world was focusing on Bob Marley and everybody had forgotten about Peter, I decided to try and put together this film so the world would realize and understand the mind of this great poet.
Thank you very much, Wayne. We're really looking forward to seeing this. I've seen it once, and I'm really looking forward to seeing it again. Thank you very much. There's one more person I want to introduce who hasn't been introduced yet this evening, and he just arrived in Jamaica, Generoso Ferrero, who was, yes, he's just arrived in Jamaica, first time in Jamaica. Come on here. His film is Lynn Tate, Rocksteady, the story of the man who created Rocksteady, who's a Trinidadian, he tells me. Come on, tell us about it. Say hi to Jamaica.
Hello, Jamaica. I'm very, very happy to be here. My name is Generoso Fierro. I do a Jamaican music radio show in Boston over the last 10 years. About 5 years ago, I had the opportunity to meet Lynn Tate, who came from Trinidad to come to Jamaica to record music from 1962 to 1968. And in 1966, he invented the rocksteady. I spoke to the Melodians, the Clarendonians, Cedric Brooks, and they give him nothing but praise. And Hopton Lewis himself says there wouldn't be rocksteady if not for Lynn Tate. So I brought him to Boston. We did a recording session with a famous jazz pianist named Ron Blake, and I've captured the whole thing in a documentary, and I'm very excited for you to see it. I would love to know what you think.
We're going to see that tomorrow night. Then we'll give you judgment, and Jamaicans are very serious judges, as you can see. Okay, so let's have Wayne Jobson's film, Stepping Razor Red X. Enjoy. Thank you, gentlemen.
Emancipation Park. Yeah. If you ever get a chance, get down here. You can walk around the park. They got a walking here. For the longest time, James kept asking me, where is everybody walking to? Where are they going? I said, they're going in a circle. Is it the first time?